The Port Muhammad bin Qasim, also known as Port Qasim, is a deep-water seaport in Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan, on the coastline of the Arabian Sea under the administrative control of the Secretary to the Government of Pakistan for Maritime Affairs. It is Pakistan's second busiest port, handling about 35% of the nation's cargo, 17 million tons per annum. Port Qasim and Karachi Port, the busiest port of the country, together handle almost 90% of all external trade of Pakistan. The remaining maritime trade is routed through Gwadar Port. The port encompasses a total area of 12,000 acres, 49 square kilometers, wherein many industrial zones operate. In addition to the Pakistan Steel Mills, PSM, and Qasim bin Qasim Power Plant, around 80% of the Pakistan's automotive industry is located at Port Qasim. The port also provides direct waterfront access to two major nearby industrial areas, Export Processing Zone, Landi, and Korangi Industrial Area. Approximately 60% of country's export and import is originated from these areas. Port Qasim is managed by Port Qasim Authority, a semi-autonomous government body.